My name is Ann Ledbetter, and in November of 2008, I was diagnosed with ovarian malignant cyst. I do have a history of fibroid tumors. I've had surgeries 3 times for benign tumors of the uterus, and I also had a lumpectomy for a breast concern. And 2 of these times, the doctors have claimed certainly that these were cancers. The symptoms were frequent urination, very heavy periods, a lot of discomfort in that area. The recommendations for how to treat this cyst was surgery. And he was very concerned, and the doctor asked me to cease with exercise. He said it was like a big water balloon that could just pop. And if it popped, then that yucky stuff would get all in me, and that would be bad. He wanted some immediate surgery. He wanted to go in there, and since it was like a water-filled cyst, he also wanted permission for a full hysterectomy and was going to have other specialists stand by because he was just concerned about what he was going to find in there. Of course, I did what the doctor told me and scheduled a surgery for December. And it wasn't that I was afraid. I've had a number of surgeries. I can do it. It wasn't fear. There was just this concern that there was another way. So I canceled the surgery, and it was at that point that I dusted off my T. Colin Campbell China study book and reread it. I had read it before and I gave up meat, but gosh, come to find out, all these dairy products and everything were contributing to all these issues, these tumors in my body. T. Colin Campbell Foundation was kind enough to refer me to a medical doctor, and I flew from the Midwest out to California to consult with a medical doctor, and we went plant-based rather than have another surgery and recover for 3 months and beyond. And so what did this mean for me? Well, in the past, even, I used to work in like banquets, and I remember sitting down and having Parker House rolls and dipping them in blue cheese dressing as a reward for, a service well done. Cheese. I mean, the word cheesehead, that would be me. All kinds of cheese. I was addicted to cheese. So that was a big one. And oils. Oils are hidden in so many foods. So to actually read labels, find where they are, and let go of that is a big, big deal. I think that there's a lot of products out there that make you think you're eating healthy, like kashi cookies and things like that. So we would have a few cookies each night. And that shifted. After seeing the doctor, it shifted to an orange, for a sweet thing for dessert. To smoothies, to salads and wonderful dressings, to a baked potato tasting fantastic, and it doesn't need sour cream and it doesn't need butter, and to taste the sweetness of a sweet potato, rice, to have fun with rice, where all these foods we can make as incredible as a chicken breast. We used to think we needed a chicken breast, but you can do the same things to these other products. So now my food looks like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, greens, and it's delectable and delightful, and I switched my taste buds, and I'm so happy with it. As far as tests, I don't need to have another right now. I will have another sonogram, but I feel fantastic. I turned 50, and I feel better than I did 20 years ago. I'm stronger. I have been participating in triathlons, which is swim, bike, run, for a couple of years now. And just a couple of years ago, before I started plant-based, I was dragging a 28 BMI, body mass index, body around. And now at 23 body mass index, I can run better, bike better, swim better, and I even won the largest indoor triathlon in February in the whole state for my age group. And that is just an incredible thing. And that's what others see from the outside. Oh, you've lost weight. Ha! Little do they know, that's just a side benefit to making my body healthy. And instead of using mechanical means to treat a biological issue, we've used food, which is the biology of who I am. And I feel fantastic. And I've always said, how do I want to be in 10 years and 20 years? And let me tell you, the answer is even better. Constantly we're getting better when we treat our bodies this way, and it's so exciting.